Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Prepare your jars for the amount of meat you purchased. A pint would be about 1 pound. A quart would be about 2 pounds, depending on which size jars you plan to use at the end. You do not have to cook the hamburger all the way. You really just want to be able to break it up so it doesn't stick in the jars. Break up any large clumps. At this point, you can remove the grease or not, depending on your preference. I like to leave it in because it helps make the taco seasoning stick better. You can also do this adding some garlic and onion if you like. Go ahead and add the taco seasoning of your choice. I have a recipe I'll include here to make your own, which is what we did, and that way it doesn't have any fillers in it. We used a real high-grade hamburger, so we had to add a little bit of water in here to offset that and make sure that the seasoning would stick to the meat. Remember that pint jars will give you about 2 cups servings, and quart jars will give you 4 cups serving of the meat. Knowing the serving size you want to serve helps pick which jar you're going to use. To each pint jar, add a half a teaspoon of salt. To each quart, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and pack your jars, leaving a 1-inch headspace. Wipe with the rim with vinegar and apply your lids and rings to the jars. Pressure can your pints for 75 minutes and quarts are 90 minutes, and the pressure depends on your altitude. Once the canner is cooled, go ahead and take your taco meat out and let it set. Wait for the lids to seal down, and you are all set to go. Enjoy the taco meat, Rebel Canners, and check out this video I have where I show you how to make your own taco seasoning.